everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Gemini Jets Eastern Airlines Lockheed L-188A. This model is produced by Gemini Jets in 2023, and it carries the Eastern Airlines Electra Golden Falcon livery from the 1950s. The aircraft was powered by four Allison 501 turboprop engines, producing up to about 3,700 shaft horsepower or 2,800 kilowatts each. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 98 passengers depending on configuration, or in a cargo configuration up to 33,800 pounds or 15,300 kilograms of cargo. This aircraft has a regular cruise speed of 324 knots or 600 kilometers an hour with a range of 2,400 nautical miles or 4,400 kilometers. As a note for collectors, this model has been produced in 1/200 scale also by Gemini Jets earlier this year in 2023. Other Eastern L-188s have been produced in 1/200 and 1/400 scale by various manufacturers and in various Eastern Airlines liveries, from the Electra Golden Falcon livery all the way up to the white hockey stick livery. And now, on to today's history lesson. Originally, this L-188A was delivered to Eastern Airlines in November of 1958. At this time, the aircraft was painted in the Electra version of the Golden Falcon livery and was registered as November 5507. During this aircraft's 12 years of service with Eastern Airlines, it wore various liveries up to the white fuselage hockey stick livery it ended its passenger career with. Eastern Airlines placed the aircraft in storage in 1970. After 8 years of storage, the aircraft was purchased by Zantop International Airlines and converted into a cargo freighter. From 1978 to sometime in the late 1990s, the aircraft was based out of Detroit Willow Run Airport, carrying cargo around North America. The aircraft was spotted with no engines at Willow Run Airport in 2000, and it is assumed that this airplane met its end at the scrapyard yard sometime between then and 2015. The time is vague because there are records of it being sold to different companies up through 2013. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you don't want to miss these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you, and good day.